some BTS of our Braai day with our friends. We hosted our friends for a Sunday Braai. It started off with me in the kitchen the night before making a dessert. So funny story, my gas finished this weekend, so my Instant Vortex Plus air fryer was used to make my second dessert, my Instant Pot for the potato salad. Quick cheers before we started marinating the meats. I used a dry rub and Tam worked on a spicy marinade for the lamb chops. I served 3 platters for starters. The first platter was a pie and half moon platter, the second was a chip and dip platter, and the third was a fruit platter. We had some wine and Tam was in charge of that, and we just chilled outside while Steph started the braai. So he braaied some lamb chops, some sausages and some ribs, and we just enjoyed our starters, and Niven was a great help as well. So I was going for a kind of sheesh and yama kind of vibe. I added all of the meat to a board, served it with some rolls, paper plates is of course a must, and some salads, and then 30 seconds started. Our friends were really competitive. It was girls against guys, and let me tell you, we laughed so much. They are absolutely funny when it comes to explaining. So the guys did win, so cheers to them. It was time for dessert, so I piped on some whipped cream onto the heartine pastries, topped it with some kiwi, and my friend Kirst was intrigued to know what goes on behind the scenes of being a content creator. So Yuri and Tammy were also keen to take some BTS. As you can see, they were pretty geared up. Dessert was finally served after shooting all of that content. We wrapped up the braai with one final birthday celebration. Our friends sang happy birthday to us, and that was a wrap to our Sunday braai. Good food, good company, and lots of fun.